Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Exodus Wallet. First, ensure you have the Exodus Wallet application installed on your device and that it is fully updated. You'll need to understand the process of funding your wallet with another cryptocurrency before you can exchange it for XRP. We will cover the steps to securely acquire XRP directly within the Exodus platform, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. To begin, you'll need to fund your Exodus wallet with a supported cryptocurrency. Common choices include Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Navigate to the Receive section for your chosen asset and copy the wallet address. Send your funds to this address, then wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This step is crucial before you can proceed with exchanging for XRP. Once your wallet is funded, navigate to the Exchange tab within Exodus. Select the cryptocurrency you deposited as the From asset and choose XRP as the To asset. Enter the amount you wish to exchange, keeping in mind the minimum XRP balance required for activation, which is typically 10 XRP. Review the exchange rate and any associated fees before confirming your transaction. After acquiring XRP, prioritize your wallet's security. Always back up your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a safe, offline location. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Regularly update your Exodus wallet to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Consider using a strong, unique password for your device to further protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.